Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a budget in PNC online banking. Open the website pnc.com, then click Sign On. On the drop-down window, sign in with your user ID and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a section for your account list. Under Account List is an option for Virtual Wallet. Click on your virtual wallet. Then you will see several options at the upper part of this page. Click on Spending plus Budget. Now, you will see an option for Add Budget at the bottom right corner of this page. Click on Add Budget. Then a pop-up window will appear. First, select a category by clicking on the drop-down arrow next to it. After that, enter the budget amount. Lastly, click on Add Budget. That's how you create a budget in PNC online banking. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.